How to change your astrological sign on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is your solution guy Bimo. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can actually change your astrological sign on Snapchat. But before we get started, if you are new to my channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, simply make sure you have either downloaded or updated the Snapchat app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store in the search box, typing in Snapchat, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app to the latest version. Once you have updated Snapchat, I want you to go ahead and then simply open it. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are simply logged into your account, and after you are logged in, you can see this is how it is going to look like. If you want to change your astrological sign, first of all, let me go ahead and show you my current one by tapping on my Bitmoji profile on the top left corner. And you can currently see that I'm actually a Pisces. So if you want to change your astrological or zodiac sign, you have to change your birthday to that particular date on which the horoscope or your zodiac sign falls in. So you couldn't directly go ahead and then change your zodiac sign. You have to change your birthday, which is your real or authentic birthday, and which your horoscope is. Snapchat is going to verify that automatically. You don't even need to do anything. So in order to do that, first of all, tap on the gear icon on the top right corner. And let's say you want to go to birthday tab. Once you go to birthday, now from the 19th of February starts the Pisces. Now and until 18th, it is actually Aquarius. For example, now if I go ahead and simply show you by selecting it to 18th, and then if I tap on continue and if I tap on OK, now I'll basically come back and then show you by also refreshing the app. Now you can see it says Aquarius. Now if I go ahead and show you right over here, you can see right over here it says Aquarius, but this is showing Pisces because it's not reloading. So I'll go ahead and open up and reload it. I'll open Snapchat, I'll tap on the Bitmoji profile, I will go to this Aquarius section over here, and you'll be able to notice that now we are actually an Aquarius. And this is simply how you can change your astrological or zodiac sign on Snapchat. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.